She's putting me up for a challenge. I got a big massive challenge on this one now. Let's go. This is the famous waterfall. Go on this little temporary bridge. Oh yeah, there's another life.
Yes.
Another life, guys.
It used to be like
guys, I know it's water, but cheers. Cheers. How do you use the cheers in Bosnia?
Livia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Tim. Okay. Well, time to hop out. We made it, guys. Sorry.
Welcome, my friends.
Thank you. We're gonna try the homemade. What about
It's better if you let us pay because then they lower the prices because we're locals.
Okay, then okay.
Oh, are
Can I?
you recording already?
Yeah. Okay, sorry.
Koliko treba marka?
No, thank you. Yeah, put it there. Merci. Are we not trying the drink now? Or do you want us to come back later?
Do you want to try now?
I want to try the drink now. Sorry.
You can buy
The whole bottle.
Oh, the bad bottle here.
Yeah.
And you have the little ones also. If you don't want
Smaller.
the big ones.
Oh, do you know what? Since it's going to be a bottle,
Smaller.
we'll grab it when we come back so we don't have to be going around
Yeah.
there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's fine. You're smart. I like
I do try to be smart.
I don't feel like that.
Because it's already hard work going there and imagine having to carry something. That's why I didn't even come with water. I was like, you know what? I'm sure I can survive a little bit.
Odavde se isto mora biti, jel? Ja, koliko se sviđa na bilo.
So this place is called Kravica. Oh, is that what it's called?
Kravica.
Oh, no car. It's Travica. Travica.
Kravica.
Ravica.
Kravica. Kravica.
Kravica.
Like Lenny Kravitz.
Lenny Kravitz. Okay, yeah.
Kravica, ah.
Oh.
Kravitz, ah.
Oh dear, I'm rubbish, guys. I'm sorry.
No,
I'm not. This is not.
it's good. Good job.
It's not. I'm trying. That's why. So this is place, as you said, is one of the most famous waterfall in the whole of Bosnia and Herzegovina, and a lot of tourists always comes around to have a look as well. So do you think it's going to be interesting as well? Oh, that's Austria.
They also
Okay.
have like small trains that come and pick you up as you go.
Seriously?
Yeah, and they bring you down there.
Oh, that'd be nice.
I'm not sure if we're gonna catch one, but there's a walkway down there anyway.
I could imagine there's going to be traffic a long queue because the people are here. Everyone want to try it. So, which car is that? Which plate number? No, that's old.
It's a poor country, maybe.
Yeah, maybe Moldova.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Kako je ovdje, ali da je bila bliže ovdje neka. Dobro, oni su sad proširili.
I could imagine thousands of tourists come here,
Yeah.
week in, week out.
And they charge them more when they're tourists.
Yeah, I know. It's
And
a
lower
thing.
the prices for locals.
Yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing. I've heard of that before. In other places I've been.
Strane, tamo, vidi.
Da, onda.
Samo mora noga skakati.
Ne moramo platiti.
Okay. Do we have to walk in the loop?
No, we thought there was
A shortcut.
no,
Not
there.
the shortcut,
Like
it's a viewpoint.
Okay, yeah.
But last time I was here,
The forest grew over it.
long ago.
Okay, we can go. So it's been a while you've been here before. It's been long.
a while, yes.
Why? Wow.
Because
Okay.
I'm a local.
Yeah, but I think that's one thing as well. If you live in a place like
Yeah.
here, you're not gonna find it interesting that much.
I don't think that you go every day.
Yeah,
In case
yeah.
you want magnets or
Westminster.
something.
Pardon?
In case you want magnets or something.
Okay. I'll get some in there, Monster. I got jersey for my son the other day,
Yeah,
Bosnia and Herzegovina jersey.
That's the viewpoint.
What viewpoint from far away?
Is it free entrance or are we gonna pay for?
You're gonna pay.
Yeah, because we keep going and I'm not coming across the ticket office. I was like, is it like a free place that you can just walk in?
It was once free,
Yeah, obviously with the tourists anymore. That's why we
but
just
there's
went.
more coming
got
Yeah,
tourists. I had to pay.
yeah, I understand, understandable. Oh,
No, ne možeš tu više ništa, ni to je dobro.
Yeah,
All
you can't
grown.
see anything.
yeah, with the trees covering.
Throw over.
Oh,
But you can hear it.
I can hear it. I can. Yeah.
Like just a little bit of this.
Yeah, I can see a little bit.
Yeah, it's down there.
Yeah.
God.
Na pola puta ima plavi.
Ja, pedak svo preko. Petra, budi ovdje.
Yeah. Can it be my honor to pay for everyone to get in? Please, thank you. I'll pay. I know you don't. You're not going to agree. I know you're not going to agree, but I want it to be my honor. That's what I said.
Okay,
I
but
want it to be paid.
first we're gonna see if they're gonna lower the price for locals. First we're
Okay, yeah, whatever. Then I'll pay. Yeah, please. Got the discount card out.
Domaća. Jedan stranac.
Aha, ja.
I ovi glasar su.
Hvala. Oh. Yeah. Oh, it works. Magic touch.
Yeah.
I saw the card. Oh, really? Oh, God. I'm sure they're gonna have more than that, though.
Yeah, it comes and goes. Like if it leaves them, then it comes back for us.
We can drive up there.
Yeah, no, we'll wait. We'll take that. It's too hot already.
Oh, we're gonna
Let's get some ice cream, guys.
You wanna wait?
Come on, let's get some ice cream, guys.
There's ice cream down there as well. So,
Is there?
Yeah.
But I think it's
While
Okay,
we
but while we wait.
wait, I was about saying that. You go for your favorite.
This is my friend from class.
Okay. So you local then they know you, you know them.
Radno.
Ja, to nek to lijepo malo sve.
euro može?
Vodimo youtubera da vidim kako je ako
Jednog ga uspek.
Baš malo dobro. Nisam nek to još malo kasnije postavljena. Možda sam mogu.
This place is actually packed with tourists. There's a lot of tourists over here. Imagine how many tourists will be coming in here every year or probably every weekend. So much, as you can say. We're just waiting for the little car that's going to take us down the hill, much closer. So while we wait for the mask, we get some ice cream. What's your favorite?
The train will come in 15 minutes, is that okay?
Yeah, let's get some ice cream while we wait, please.
I don't know.
Are you're not tempted?
I mean, I kind of am, but
Come on,
I have a
let me see your
really
best.
big sweet tooth.
Do you? You try to reduce it, is that what it is?
Yeah.
Right.
Koji je ona
This is a one in a lifetime opportunity with this. I'm gonna take it.
Yeah, please.
Are you gonna go first?
Just one small butter.
Is he contemplating?
Owen.
Yeah. I'm not really an ice cream person. I'll just go grab anything that you guys recommend. Give me your choice. Yeah, give me mango, please.
Ja, säg Stockholm talar mango.
Give me with a cone, please.
I was also gonna get mango.
Yes, okay. So,
The plasma one is really good.
Which
like
one?
The biscuit.
Which one is that?
Biscuit plasma.
okay, Klasma. Okay, I've not tried that. Maybe when I come back.
That's the cookie we just got. In the
Is that the
car.
cookie one we
Yeah.
got? Okay. Nice. Have you had one already?
Yeah, too many.
Too many. Is that what you're coming for again? Oh, nice. This one is nice as well, though. The mango one.
Like fresh, yeah?
Yeah, like fresh mango. We have to be quick with this,
I
if not, it's going to melt everywhere.
I can imagine your mango tastes so much better than here. I don't like mangoes here.
I don't think our mango tastes better. I'm sure you can testify. Where are you from, if you don't mind?
Sweden.
From Sweden? Okay. No, the UK mango doesn't taste nice. What are you having, Robert? You know?
She's saying she wants an alcohol drink that's local here.
Okay.
If they have it, to bring it to her.
How much? Okay.
Thank you.
No worry, thank you.
Oh no.
We have to be quick. It's alright. Thank you very much. Oh. It's alright. I got it. Thank you. We have to be quick. It's going to melt everywhere. Look, it's already draping.
Wanna go sit in the shade while we wait for the train?
Yes, please.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. We all got mango. Triplets. Easy. Want to sit there? Oh, sit there. We can have a look.
Let's go there.
Oh yeah, I can see some. Oh yeah. But good thing you see, I see it for. I'm trying to way up near the camera, so if that comes closer. Oh, everyone is running in now. The people sometimes walk it instead of following this one. Okay, yeah, I think it's more better with this one. You can see proper view from the top as well. I've been told, hello. Yeah, okay, that's good.
Yes, you can walk, but you have to be fit.
I am fit, but I don't think I want to walk that.
Very fit. It's
Really?
a few hundred steps.
Really? Okay. Now I'm okay with this one. Yeah. Me too. That's what we're using.
Do we work in it?
Do we have to clean up? Okay.
3 months. Hilda je malo još polazio.
You use that to pay? No. You remember I said I was going to pay, right?
Yeah, you can pay when we go back.
Yeah, but no, but let's start this one with this one. Okay? Please. Please.
It's not that much. Thank you.
What?
It's not that much. Thank you.
Okay.
It's 8 months.
Take more than. Oh, it's not that much, you mean?
It's not that much.
Okay, I get your point now. Okay, yeah, I can give it to him, yeah. Oh, well, I'll beat you guys to it.
Hello?
4 people, please.
Ja, on je ovaj bit sorry.
Može. I give you one discount, okay?
Yeah, thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, nice.
See, everywhere I go, you get a discount.
Oh, yeah, I know. Bringing the lot to me. Yeah. I think I need to be going everywhere with you. That will help. Okay. I'm so rubbish in this. I am rubbish. I think I'm quite used to this one.
Yeah.
It's a mom, yeah.
We have the same earrings. I'm just not wearing those at home. They're at home.
Really?
Really similar.
The same. How long have you had your for?
I have like 3 or 4 here.
This particular earring, how long have you had it for? The one at home?
Since my confirmation, so like a year ago.
Okay. About this for like 15 years?
Wow, and they're still so sparkly.
Yeah. Obviously it was gold. I think I paid £80 for it then. So, you may? Yeah, good stay forever, right?
Yeah.
And that was the first earring when I had my earbud pierced
When did you picture it?
15 years ago. And that was what I
How did you picture it?
to the shop. We have like a local shop. Yeah, with the gun.
That earring is almost as old as us.
I didn't feel nothing though. It was just like the paint.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then, oh, is he? Oh yeah, he is. So yeah. I didn't want to have a bigger one because I got very small ear. Yeah. Very tiny bit. Yeah. So. Pardon?
Oh, you'll be able to see it.
Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna go around anyway, so if I can't see it now, see it later. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, there's another life down there. A lot of people. Now the last bus stop. Does that mean it's gonna stop in a bit now? Okay. Oh yeah, these people are waiting. Okay. Well, trying to hop out. We made it, guys. Sorry.
Welcome, my friends.
Thank you. Oh, we made it. High five. High five. Was it?
Yeah, I did not like that.
Really?
I did not like that at all.
Bless you.
Had to walk.
Yeah, there's a little pond there. Oh man, it's literally busy here. Absolutely busy. You can tell.
This is actually where this
A
is
mill.
Yeah,
Oh, the old mill. Okay, they use the
and
water.
The water used to flow through here.
I think that it's more cool being in a fall now than being in the mill. think during the war, a lot of things happened during the war over here. Many places was touched. No, what I mean, a lot happened.
In the war here was no war,
Yeah.
so we defended well here.
Okay, people come here to hide.
First line was in Mostar.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yes, mostly.
Yeah.
Mostly. In the start of the war, yes, Lubos were mixed,
Okay.
thrown in. A few bombs and this.
Yeah, and that was all.
Yeah.
Okay.
So people stand up and fight against.
Yeah. No, stood up for what I believe.
Yes.
Oh.
So for the belief, for yourself. For your
Survival,
family.
survival, yeah, survival for the family.
Let's walk.
Let's walk. Come to reality. After you.
And it's wet, you cannot walk here.
Yeah, I could imagine so because
Yeah, it's slippery.
it's very slippery. Or probably during the snow, if there's any snow here, it will be more harder.
Sometimes it rains.
Rain, just with rain, you
The
can't.
race is critical.
Okay.
All around here.
Okay. That is beautiful though. Oh, someone came with a boat. A little canoe.
I think, I don't know. I'm sure.
Yeah.
We have tried. Long ago.
Do you?
I like more in winter to come.
Really?
No tourists.
No. Is there ever going to be a time whereby there's not going to be tourists here?
A little tourist, but much more water.
Okay, much more water. Okay. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Oh yeah, there's another life.
Yes.
Another life, guys. I thought everything was up there just now, thinking there was not going to be life here, but completely, this is another life. Oh my days.
You're really like supposed to come here to swim and everything.
Yeah, this could be like a day trip, a real day trip whereby you come very early.
They do have boat trips.
Yeah, I see that as well. That's a little canoe. Wow, amazing.
Are you going to climb the stairs when he's up there?
Pardon? Yeah, let's take a walk, please. Yeah. A little bit closer to the water.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, okay, yes, I am, sir.
For yourself or?
For myself, yes.
Oh, I thought you might be too.
Yeah, I'm with a couple of friends as well. Where are you from?
Manchester.
Oh, Manchester. I flew from Manchester.
Yeah.
I'm from near Birmingham.
Or are you a bit?
Yeah.
We all know that.
Anyway, enjoy. Oh dear. Let's go on this little temporary bridge. Yeah, that's the kayaking I went on. But the one I went on was you slant your leg inside. So this one is outdoor. Obviously, I got a life jacket on because I couldn't swim, just in case. Yeah. Oh, you can see some fishes there. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Water for Kravica. It's nice. I like it. This is nice. Yeah. Yeah, we could do. Just too busy that you don't really know what direction should I go. It's like, should I go in this direction or no? But you don't know. Oh my days, guys. A lot of tourists here. As I said, it's a very popular place, so you can imagine people from all over the world. I just saw some guys from Manchester. Those guys I was speaking with from Manchester.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And I flew in to Split from Manchester. Awesome, right? It's going to be a little bit closer.
There used to be no people here before. Now it's like full of tourists, and the locals are not too happy about it.
Oh, really?
Because none of these cafes were here before. They only built them for the tourists.
Okay,
Tourism.
more money.
Yeah.
More money.
So it kind of feels like they're like kind of ruining the nature of it.
Yeah, main thing for the people that lives here for probably thousands of years.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool.
Here.
Yeah, that's
you
I'm
can take
alright.
off your shoes and get in the water. Because you can walk. Like, see, you can walk.
Yeah, I could do that as well, but
Oh, you're gonna sit
there's
down?
nothing. They can sit, don't worry. That is beautiful, guys. This is the famous waterfall. As you can see, there's a lot of tourists here. Massive tourists. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, could do. Yeah, it could do. Oh. Thank you. The way you position yourself when you take a picture, it seems to be like a proper photographer. Which is awesome. Yeah, it is. Is that what we're having now? It's what I'm having. Sex on the beach. Nice. What are you having? You're not drinking any? What about water?
Water?
Really? A bottle of water?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to some, but
And you guys
I'm
give
just
me
gonna be more
this?
thirstier.
Pardon?
I'm just gonna be more thirstier
Okay.
if I drink that. So
Gotcha.
we have those on the gas stations as well.
Yeah.
Like in the summer, we drink a lot of those.
Yeah, I understand. Let me have a taste first. It's nice. That's nice.
I
We
mean,
had the
it
beach.
really is beautiful, but too much people ruin it. Yeah. It used to be
Cheers,
like.
guys. I know it's water, but cheers. Cheers. How do you use the cheers in Bosnia?
Libya. What's it like?
It tastes different that I'm not used to.
Yeah.
Maybe because it says sex in the beach. Maybe that's why. I don't know.
In case you want water, you can
But I'm
take
just
ours.
gonna drink it because it's cold and it's chilled as well. So, and we are hot. She's putting me up for a challenge. I got a big massive challenge on this one now. Let's go. Okay.
Oh, they're going there.
Yeah, I think they have to go on that platform before.
We can go find the.
Yeah, let's do that one. I think that one is the most safest one to do. No, I need to take my shoes off though. It's not gonna get wet. Going for a hunt. That's a cave. Have you seen that? It's a like no, see the stone with a big massive hole.
Yeah, you can climb up there.
Oh my days, that looks like a canal.
Yeah.
What? Can you manage?
Yeah.
That's like a tunnel. Are you sure? No, don't, please. I don't want you to fall.
not sure where that goes.
No, it doesn't go nowhere, so you have to come back. I need to hold on to you. Be careful, go sideways so you can have it. Can you manage?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yep.
Oh, okay, you did it now. Oh my God, it's more chilly in here. I think the water sometimes come here because
Yeah.
that's like a tunnel.
Hopefully it's not like the
concrete
drainage
tunnel.
system.
Oh yeah. Imagine the waterfall rushing all like, run! He's about to swallow us. Oh my, be careful please. Oh, damn. Look at the rock. This, have you feel it? Smooth?
Yeah. Alright, buddy.
Yeah.
You wanna take your shoes off for a picture?
In a bit. But if I go on there, my hiking shoe is gonna be.
No, take them off and then just sit there.
Oh no! That was good. We did it. Oh dear. You know the way back?
Yeah.
Yeah, that way. See, try a time, and I won. Succeeded. That's good, can I? Thank you. We did it. I did half. I did 50% of what she said.
Yeah.
High five. High five.
I couldn't hear like almost anything.
I was getting wet behind, and I was like, I'm getting wet with the water.
I didn't feel it.
I was like, I'm getting. I need to show you guys some fish, right? Yeah, the bigger one. Done. That was nice. Trying to go home now. It's been a pleasure, guys. I really had a good time after you, sir. Don't worry. Okay. As you can see, super busy. A little place to explore, but it is busy, guys. Oh. The oatmeal. Did it bring any memories for you guys? Okay, a little bit. Oh yeah. Obviously, you guys have been here before, right?
Yeah.
Did it bring a lot of memories for you guys? Or?
I've been here at least one time, I think.
Okay.
But I lived through my entire life.
No road here.
Okay, when you came, so you literally have to walk. Okay, all these are literally new then. Yes. Are we gonna wait for the bus stop then? Yes. Okay. All right. That'll be all for this video, and I hope you enjoy every bit of it, every seconds of this video. Check out the next vlog, which I'll be dropping after this one, and it will be peace, Vala from us. Peace, guys. Peace, 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 peace. Ciao. That's it, guys. Vala.
Bye.
Vala.